like the channel, today we're going to open Serious 13 Playmobil
Girl figures.
Girl figure.
Be careful when you use a scissor, or else you will cut your fingers again. See what's that? Is this a surprise or is not a surprise?
I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut the side. But I'm not going to cut the flyer because I can feel the flyer is going to go on the other side. Okay. What? I'm going to break the package. Guess what we got?
Yeah, let's just see what's that. Don't hide it. It's a bad guy. Oh no, it's a bad girl. Who's that girl?
Not a bad girl.
It's a rat.
You remember this one? We had this before.
Oh, yeah, we have this before.
It's like the star lady.
Yeah, let me see. Okay, it's a kind of girl where with a paper fan.
Not paper, it's real.
She looked like the girl from Spain. It's
Oh.
Spanish.
Wait, how do we... Yeah, I know how to put it out. We have to find two holes and put the body on. Why do we always have to put the body on?
Yeah, because the instructions said that you need to put on the body, the hand, the clothing, and the head. One step, one step, two step, three step, four. And then you can assemble it.
And then what do we do? Now put this on?
Yes.
The hand part, you do it. I don't like the hand
I told you
part.
many times. You see
But I
here?
still don't like it.
You see here.
Yes, I know.
So you won't fall down.
But I don't know where the fan is.
Now you can plug it in the head.
Taking out the hair?
Yeah.
Or you put this first?
Is this on her neck or what?
I think I want to put this.
Yeah, this one, the red thing is on her neck. On her neck.
But this is on her neck.
Now you can put on her hair.
And you also need this.
This is what?
The hair piece.
It's for her hair or what? Let me see.
There's holes in her hair. So you see. Where's the fan? If this
Yeah, the fan's over there.
Yeah, I know. I remember this.
Let me see.
There's 3 holes. So these are these 3 holes. Because on her hair she has 3 holes. I got it on her hair. Now we just need the shoulder. Why is always the shoulder the easiest part?
Oh, actually the body's very easy. You still don't figure out how to put on the arm and the body together.
I'm crazy. Okay, here you go.
Let's have it close up.
She's holding another hand. Yeah, you cannot hold the other hand. She has to hold the fan. Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.